So once you enter to the website by login here on the right side with the username and password, you will end up on this page that is called dashboard. So on the dashboard, right, we have learned how to do the practice MCQ. Now somebody wants to self-assess their preparation and they wants to give mock test, right? So you need to come to this page, click on the mock test. So this page will open again. So there are two modules, click to start the test, and another is a quick to start without time restriction. So there are two modules, with time restriction, without time restriction. So when you are doing some practice initially, select the without time restriction, so you at least get the idea you have some time. So for all Prometric 30M, so you will land on this page. So these are the mock tests. This is one sample. So here we had given the 30 MCQs, right? So here, unfortunately, like practice MCQ, you have no liberty to see the answer immediately. You can see the answers, correct answer, wrong answers, explanations, everything at the end of the test, just like you are giving the real exam in your examination room. So say for example, question number 1 in mock test, low TSH, low T3, low T4, low TRH, right? What is the most likely condition, right? So here you selected, say for example, this answer. So you will not going to get the idea whether it is right or wrong, right? You have to submit, right? And you have to go next, right? Because the result will produce at the end of the test once you submit. This is question number 2, right? Like I submitted this answer. Next, question number 3, I submitted this answer. Next. So like that, when I completely do the all 30 questions, right, and I tick all the 30 things, right, then I have to submit the result. And once I'll submit the result, they will give you, right, your score, your percentage. And here you need to get at least 65% for the passing in most of the Prometric exams in most of the Middle East country. But for our student, I am just giving you the idea. Once you got more than 75 to 80% in your mock test, then you are reasonably okay to go for the exam. So higher the better. This is how you have to do the things. So this is about the mock test. Now if you can see, I attempted the 30 questions. Out of the 30, 29 is wrong. Say for example, so they all are red. Only one answer, question number 30, I ticked right. That is why it is a green. So here you can see green, here you can see green, right? Say for example 29, right? So correct answer is this, right? Correct answer is this. So you need to know what is the correct answer. So once you submit the test, you get to know where you did mistake, what you ticked right, that was red, and what's the real answer, that is a green, right? So this is what about the mock test. So mock test you need to do regularly, right? By my So just for the example, first questions, this was the questions. I selected intentionally D options, but the correct answer is C, right? And my answer was not correct because I selected quaternary hypothyroidism, and that is wrong answer, and that is why it is a red, right? So whatever the correct answer, it will be green. So this is yellow is my answer, correct answer is this. So this is applicable to the all questions. When I did not write, so I attempted B, right, but correct answer is D, or agoraphobia, and that is why the second number question is wrong. So likewise, this is what it is given on the website, right? So I selected in the question number 3, C, high resolution CT, but that's not the answer. Answer is methacholine stimulation test. So you will get to know by all the things, right? So this is the things. So you need to know about. So this is the complete idea about the mock test. So when I started the mock test, what I did, click to start without time restriction. But there is one another option that click to start test, right? So this is the click to start test, and that is the things, right? So this is with the time restriction. If you can see here, time left, So when you have right without time restriction, it's a different. This is exactly how they ask in the exam, right? So your clock starts now. So when this computer will become 0 0 and 0, means your time is over. It will be automatically locked. Your time is over. You cannot solve or correct any MCQs. Same on the website, same on the examination room, right? So rest of the thing is the same. Only this is the time restriction I need to show you. So I had given you the one example of cardiology, but mock test is available not just for the cardiology. So there are plenty full of mock test. Cardiology 7 means there are 7 mock tests in cardiology. Emergency medicine 2, epidemiology 2, right? So you can see it, right? Section here, right? With and without time restrictions. So this is available for all the subjects, right? So cardiology, emergency medicine, and all major subjects what they ask in the exam, it is completely covered here. So you can practice, you can improve the score, and you can self assess as well that how much you are improving week by week. Thank you very much.